Happy Thursday, everyone. Chief Meteorologist Kenny Miller here. Just wanted to do an extended 1 minute kind of conversation here. First, about what we might be seeing Saturday of this weekend as far as that rain snow chance, and then the possibilities for next week. So, first, looking at Saturday, this is pretty early, 6 a.m. or so across the board. Going to begin getting an influx of moisture coming in from the west as this Clipper system works its way through. As we move through the morning hours into the afternoon, going to probably begin to see pretty quickly even a rain to snow switch over, mostly beginning in that northwestern corner, areas north of Highway 2 up towards Crosby. Accumulations are possible as far as snow is concerned. Ground temperatures are still pretty warm at this time of the year, so if we get any accumulations, they'll be pretty minor. Overall, being pretty wet, remains to be seen exactly how far south that accumulation line will push. So there's still several things up in the air as far as this chance is concerned, and expect some snowflakes down towards Dickinson, perhaps even as far east as the Magic City towards Minot. Accumulations are not currently forecast for those locations, but again, if we get a couple degrees colder, you might begin to see some of that. So there's still a lot of things to be ironed out as far as this weekend's rain to snow opportunity is concerned, staying mostly rain down towards the Bismarck area. So this is just the appetizer. The meat and potatoes of the next week or so is going to be coming into next week. So let's go ahead and just quickly dive into those possibilities. Right now, we're thinking early Tuesday morning might be kind of an early stage window as to when, if anything, something were to develop. So we're going to get this area of low pressure down towards our south. This is looking at Monday morning. First scenario here is this center of this low tracks towards the northeast. That's going to give us the stronger possibility of seeing a rain to snow crossover during the day on Tuesday. This is by far the more interesting scenario for us here in North Dakota. If this track were to verify, we could potentially be seeing some moderate and maybe major accumulations again. Nothing is set in stone right now. It's too early to be talking about how much we could see because, again, we have a couple different options here for what might happen. Track number 2 is the center of the low tracks over the Midwest, and we miss out on everything, and it's just nothing as we get into Tuesday or Wednesday. This time yesterday, there was a stronger confidence in track number 2 than track number 1. Today, there is more confidence now in track number 1. So what that means is there's a higher confidence in possibly seeing some precip Tuesday of next week. It's kind of 50-50 right now which of these tracks this system is going to take, and of course that's going to impact what we see as far as precipitation. So we're still 5-6 days out right now. Now is just the let's create some awareness about the possibilities for next week stage. Perhaps locate your snow shovels if you don't know where they're at. Perhaps buy one. Just kind of have things on standby, and hopefully as we move through tomorrow into the weekend, we can begin to iron out exactly where we think this low is going to track, which will then determine what kind of precip and how much we might get, if anything at all. And we'll, of course, have those details probably not tomorrow because it's still a little bit ambiguous at this point. But as we get into the weekend and next week, we'll begin to iron out some of those details for you. So right now, chance for rain to snow on Saturday. That's pretty likely at this point. Accumulation is going to be minor. And then we have that chance Tuesday of next week, and we'll see what happens with that. Andre will have more details on this coming up on KX News at 4, and you can see me at 5, 6, 9, and 10 this evening for those details as well.